Mark your calendars, OnePlus Watch 3 launches February 18th. Hello tech enthusiasts! Get ready to be amazed by the next generation smartwatch from OnePlus. The OnePlus Watch 3 will officially go on sale on Tuesday, February 18th, and its new specs are nothing short of impressive. Let's dive into all the exciting details. Rocket Mantelpiece clock. OnePlus Watch 3, digital crown like its predecessor, the elegantly designed OnePlus Watch 2. The new model will feature a digital crown. But this time, it's not just for show. The new design adds functionality, allowing users to both press and rotate the crown. This makes navigating through apps and menus more efficient and intuitive. Selena Scher from OnePlus told Tech Radar, "The rotating crown makes navigating through apps and menus efficient and intuitive, and ultimately the user experience even better." Mobile phone Cyclone. Battery. OnePlus Watch 3, better battery life. OnePlus is raising the bar with a 20% improvement in battery life compared to the OnePlus Watch 2. This means you can enjoy up to 120 hours or 5 days of use on a single charge. And in power saver mode, it can last up to an impressive 16 days, compared to 12 days on the previous model. Say goodbye to frequent charging. High voltage battery. Hammer and wrench. OnePlus Watch 3, 2 chipsets just like its predecessor. The OnePlus Watch 3 boasts dual-engine architecture with 2 processors. The Snapdragon W5 processor handles intensive tasks like running Google Maps and music playback, while the new BS2800 MCU efficiency chipset enhances overall efficiency and battery life. This combination ensures a smooth and powerful performance. Flex Biceps laptop computer. Artist palette. OnePlus Watch 3, design. OnePlus is offering the new watch in 2 stunning colors, emerald titanium and obsidian titanium. The casing is crafted from stainless steel, and the bezel is now made from titanium. The emerald variant features a sleek silver titanium bezel, while the obsidian model sports a sophisticated black titanium bezel. Get ready to elevate your style with these elegant options. Glowing star sparkles.